Media MASH seemed like a really good, intensive opportunity to really focus in for just a couple of days on learning about documentary filmmaking.
I applied to this program because I never have a chance to do something with professional people.
I think Media MASH as a concept is a wonderful opportunity to give kids a chance to interact with people who do this work regularly.
Chris, with all of his experience already, having won so many awards, he knows a lot about intricate details in the filmmaking process that you might not think about.
The power of the media can be used for social good in a variety of ways. If we can harness that, then to create social change can be a really possible thing to do.
So during this workshop, we were working with some nonprofits here in Stockton.
The nonprofit I worked with was Family Resource and Referral Center.
They provide child care service for like medium low-income family.
We were trying to create a video piece that they can use in their work to reach a certain goal for their organization.
The nonprofit we worked with was Unbound Stockton. They are currently trying to open up a charter school for 4th to 8th graders.
Picture the possibilities.
Beautiful. When we got to speak with the organization, I found that his engagement was helping me want to help him.
It feels great and it motivates you a lot more when you're working for someone who has a very honorable goal and just wants to do better for the community and the people around them.
The students who attend and become part of Media MASH are student leaders. That's clear.
My team was amazing. I think we all worked really well and we all have our own individual strengths. That just made filming so much easier.
Getting the hands-on experience of being able to position the cameras myself, figure out the shots in these few days to create something that I know is going to have benefits to the community that I'm in was amazing. It was like a dream come true.
It's just great that university and the organizers of Media MASH decided to try this collaboration.
I think it's a great way to give back to the community in general that we are living in.
The skills that we learn here, even in such a small amount of time, is so incredible.
I thought it was really cool that something you learn in the classroom you can actually apply outside of it.
Cut.
Is that the winner?
That was pretty good.
Was it?